Hi, Jamie here. Welcome to my kitchen. I am making some golden milk. I like to start with fresh ginger and turmeric root, and I grated it. You can use the powdered turmeric as well, which I have for backup, but I like the fresh root. It tastes really good. So the main ingredients you need is, this is my favorite, grass-fed Organic Valley milk. Any good organic milk, of course. And that's your base. You want to keep your heat on low. You don't want the milk to like boil or get too hot. You kind of just want it to simmer. And then, of course, your ginger and turmeric. Really healing, amazing roots. I use them almost every day. And some ghee, clarified butter. I use ghee a lot. I'm going to do about a spoonful. This is for about 2 servings. And even though I use the fresh turmeric root, I like to add a little bit of powder too because it has a different consistency. And another thing that kind of binds really well with turmeric and helps bring out its healing power is black pepper. So I put just a little bit. You don't need it to overpower, but just a little sprinkle of pepper. And let it simmer for a few minutes and be drinking gold. Golden milk has been around forever, but it originated in India and it's part of Ayurvedic medicine and healing. I really enjoy drinking golden milk in the evening before I go to bed. It's really warming and soothing and kind of helps settle down your nervous system and get you into that like rest and relax mode. And it has a lot of good like nutrients in it. Yay. As easy as that. Golden milk, super simple and easy. Hopefully you're inspired to make some at home. Cheers.